Hello friends, in this video let's analysis USD JPY. So I am analysis USD JPY in 1 day time frame. In 1 day time frame, as you can see, here is a major level JPY in a major level. Okay, now for couple of days market is almost no movement, but still we can hope a good upside movement in 1 or 2 weeks. As you can see, this is a liquidity zone. So after market break this level here, this market can go up above here, and if the market break this level, break down this level up to here, then market should come down around here. Okay, this is a good buying opportunity if you are a swing trader. Market can go up above here. Okay, now let's analysis in 4-hour time frame. As you can see, in 4-hour time frame there is almost no movement for couple of weeks. Market ranging here for couple of weeks. So if market break this level, market can go up to here, and if market come down, it can go down here. Okay, so better analysis in 1 day time frame. As you can see, market there is a chance of market going up. Here we can see a chance for market to go up here. So here we can expect the market should go up for a couple of weeks until here. So this is a good opportunity for swing trading. Okay friends, so that's it for this video and thanks for watching.